We've had sheriff's deputies, pilots, aviation attorneys, and other industry professionals speaking at Elevate UAV, each one solving challenges that many of us in the industry face. And if that sounds like you, we want to hear your story on our stage. I'm Adam with Drone Nerds, and this November, we're bringing the enterprise drone industry together at Gulfstream Park in Miami for Elevate UAV 2026. 2 days, live flight demos, hands-on tech, and the sharpest minds in commercial UAS. If you're running a drone program in agriculture, public safety, facilities management, or other fields, anywhere UAS is solving a real operational problem, we want to hear your story on our stage. What you tried, what broke, what worked, and what you'd tell the next person walking into this. Maybe you cut inspection time from days to hours. Maybe your program is the reason why a search and rescue call ended the right way. Maybe you're the one who finally got leadership to say yes to scaling past a pilot program. That's exactly the kind of session our audience shows up for. And as a speaker, you'll have the opportunity to showcase your thought leadership, and you'll get 2 complimentary event passes, a featured profile and bio on the Elevate UAV website, promotion across our social channels and newsletter, access to the VIP lounge, and recognition across the event. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to learn from and connect with other industry professionals. Elevate UAV brings together the people actually buying, building, and flying these programs, and the folks evaluating how drones fit into their operations. This is who you'd be talking to. Head to ElevateUAVSummit.com, use the link right below this video, or email us directly at info@ElevateUAVSummit.com. Tell us what you'd like to talk about, and we'll take it from there.